They were honestly remarkable, but for 8 of his victims, the story was nowhere near over. And this is where that file reopens, decades later, as a cold case with a brand new mission. We're talking more than 30 years after the bodies were discovered. Investigators launched this incredible new initiative. It was to use the power of modern DNA technology to finally answer the one question that had haunted families for a generation. Who were the remaining unidentified victims? The process they used was so methodical and, for the time, groundbreaking. First, they exhumed the remains of the 8 unidentified victims. Then, forensic scientists very carefully extracted genetic material from the best possible sources, teeth and jawbones. The next step was absolutely crucial. They put out a public appeal, asking families of young men who'd gone missing back in the 70s to please provide their own DNA for comparison. And finally, the lab got to work, comparing the genetic profiles from the victims against all those family reference samples, just hoping for a match. And the results? They were honestly remarkable. As you can see from this chart, of the 8 unidentified victims, this project led to the successful identification of 7 of them. That's a staggering success that finally brought closure to families who had been living in this awful limbo for over 3 decades.